In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard. Now you need to copy any text and to paste it instantly, tap on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. To pin it, hold it and use pin icon at the top right corner. You can unpin it the same way. To delete it, hold it and tap on pin icon next to the pin one. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. To delete text on the go, use this button at the bottom right corner. And to get back to standard keyboard, click on this one at the top left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!